I'm here in, well, Frankton, I guess, just outside of Queenstown at my friend's house, Trent, and I am about to set off to Cromwell in central Otago. So join me for the journey. So yes, on my way to Cromwell past Roaring Meg and the power station, you can see some of the long exposure shots I took here just using my iPhone and a tripod with the Moment camera app. You can find details of that in my video description, but my ultimate destination today is to explore Lake Pukaki in Aoraki Mount Cook National Park. It's another hot afternoon down here on South Island. I'm in Twizel again, and I've just checked at tourist information, and my plan is to take the road less travelled. I'm going to go up the eastern side of Lake Pukaki, which you'll see on the map here, which is a gravel road and far less busy than the highway that I took on the other side of the lake the other day. So apparently I'll be able to pull over and take photos and take film wherever I want. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go. Yes, I'm going to explore the Tasman River, which starts below the famous Tasman Glacier and flows into Lake Pukaki. It's a short braided river seen from a distance by hundreds of thousands of visitors who travel to and from Aoraki Mount Cook each year. Well, each normal year anyway. But not many people get this close to it by travelling up the gravel road on the east side of Lake Pukaki, which is what I'm doing today. It was also used as a location for the Hobbit movies, just in case you think you recognise it. It's a scorching, sun-baked afternoon. What can I tell you? It's just magnificent. I'm on the eastern side of Lake Pukaki, and nobody goes down this side of the road. Everybody goes on that side of the road, which is understandable because this is a gravel road. You can see it here, and that's a proper sealed tarmac road, and there's Mount Cook Village just at the end over there. But this is amazing because no one uses it, and it's just all the more beautiful for that. You might be able to hear a chopper just in the background here, lots of flights going up to the glaciers, but I'm just going to cruise along this gravel road for a little while and then head across town. Town? Country. Quite a drive along that road, gravel road, but it's worth it. If you take a look around me here, this is the Tasman track, and that over there is the Tasman River. Now this track is 10 kilometers in length, but I'm not going to do that. I'm probably only going to do about a kilometer or two in either direction, maybe 2-3 kilometers in total this afternoon. I've done a lot of walking, plus I need to go and check into the hostel, but I just want to get a view of Aoraki, Mount Cook, just over there, and I just want to get a bit of a clearer view of the valley over there too, and maybe take a few long exposure photos using the Moment app, which I'm going to tell you all about, or I may already have told you all about. If I have, the link's here, and if I haven't, the link will be here. Alright, let's have a look around. really reluctantly heading back to the car now. This is a wonderful place. Why haven't I been here before? Probably because it's really hard to get to, but it's just absolutely wonderful. Come if you can. I'm going to come back again. I'm going to bring the kids. They will love it here. Absolutely love it.